Welcome back to our styling and revamping section. This episode, we will be styling this curly hair. In our previous episode, we revamped it as washing and drying. So here we'll be styling this beautiful curly hair. So let's get right into this video.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video.
Starting off, you get a container like this. Then you go in with this curly hair serum. Then you go in with your curly hair mousse. Yeah, and after that you pick your what's it called, this milk conditioning, a leave-in conditioner. You add it inside the container as well. After that, you take your Koilala, you add it in the container as well. Be generous with everything, just make sure you put them in it. Then you go in with this serum as well. You can use any serum of your choice, not necessarily the type I am using. Then after that, you cover up and you shake and mix together. And I added water after the whole thing. After adding water, that's when I covered. And make sure you shake it very well till everything get dissolved in the water. So now let's the styling begin. First of all, as you all know, when we're styling our hair, we start with sectioning. Section your hair. We'll be working with the hair section by section. So starting from the down to the top, you take your clip, you hold it, after sectioning the hair. Then first of all, you go in with water. You spray water on it. You take your comb, you comb it out. After combing it out, then you're going to apply our mixture in it. Then you take this octopus brush or a very tiny mouth brush. Yes, you take it, then you use it to brush it. You know, when your hair is wet, especially this type of coil is deep wave, when a deep wave hair is wet, it tends to like stretch out. Yeah, it stretches out when it is wet. So don't panic, don't just keep doing what you're doing. Then you go section by section. This is another section. You go section by section, repeat the same process, comb it out, apply your mixture, comb it out again, brush it out, and you can just do something like using your brush to twist it just like this. You can do something like that as well. You can just play around with it. The main purpose of this is to detangle the hair all from down to the top and pin back the coils. So that is what we are doing right here in this video. So just let you guys watch till we move on to the next step. After brushing or twisting the hair, you can notice that I was using my hand to crunch it. Yes, use your hand to crunch the hair. That is what will like bring out the coils more. Like you use your hand to fold it all up, and that's just it. By now, you all should know that revamping comes with a lot of things, lots of adjustments, not just washing and styling. As you can see, this hair, by the time I got to this place, it was loose. Like the stowing was loose, so I had to like tack it back and make sure it is in a good condition, good shape before sending back to my client, which is what I am doing right in this video. So after that, you can see everywhere is firm and looking good back. Then we can continue to our styling. We've gotten to the front part of this wig. This wig is a frontal unit hair, so I'm just going to spray water on the front part, just like this, generous with the water, because the down of this hair, oh my goodness, the roots, there's a lot going on there. So I'm just going to use my white tooth comb to just go in gently to detangle that root. Go in gently, comb it out small till everything is well detangled. Then after that, we can proceed to styling the front style. Everything is in good shape now. We can continue and proceed to our styling. So I comb it all back, then I put my mousse. This mousse has been a game changer, like I used to say in all my video. I put my mousse and use a small tooth comb to slip it backward, just like this. I slipped it backward. I'm doing it so that the front part can lay flat. Aside laying flat, I'll be able to like work with the kind of styling I want, with the kind of design, or I don't know, kind of pattern I want. But for this hair, I'll be going with a side pattern, a C-cut pattern, not just a side pattern, a C-cut pattern. You can see how it was just going the direction I am putting it. That is work of the mousse. And again, notice that the hair is wet as well. The front part is really wet. So this, I'm doing C-cut pattern, as you can see in this video. So I'm just going to like make sure I perfect the cutting and style it very well. After that, I go in with my dryer and dry it. I told you the front part is super wet, so I go in with my dryer to dry it a little, and that's just it. So because I want to deliver this hair the same day, so I had to use my dryer to crunch it up to dry the coils. Normally I would have left it to dry naturally, but I had to use my dryer to dry it. You know what it is. So that's just what I am doing right here in this video. Then after drying, the hair came out really nice. The coils, the deep wave coils came out nice, and my clients loved it. So that is all about this episode and this series. See you on the next one.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do want to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.